Hello guys, my name is Mr. Rogers, and this is the second part of lecture notes on 2-2 on Ohm's law. And Ohm's law states that the resistance is equal to the voltage divided by the current. So Ohm's law was all about that. It's really going to be a mathematical relationship as to solving for or finding resistance. That's the voltage divided by current. And what he found was when you change the amount of voltage in a current, the amount of voltage in a circuit, it would affect the current. And also depending on the type of substance that was used, that resistance, if he changes the resistance, it could also affect the current flowing through the circuit. And he found out that mathematical relationship between these three. And so resistance is found, voltage divided by current. And to measure volts, we have devices called voltmeters, and ammeters, we have devices called to measure current. So what I want to show you guys is the idea of the resistance equals voltage divided by current. That's the idea of Ohm's law. Resistance, voltage divided by current. I actually stands for current. I want to give you guys a tip as to how this works, how we can do this mathematically, simply for you. So what we can do is we can set up a triangle here. In our triangle, this little quadrant here, we have a R for resistance, V for voltage, I for current. And right now I'm solving for resistance. That's what I want to find. And so I cover up the R. I'm going to do the mathematical operation that looks like is right there. So voltage over current. So voltage divided by current would equal resistance. And I have an example up here. So if I'm trying to find resistance and the voltage was 4 volts and the current was 0.4, it'd be 4 divided by 0.4 would equal 10. So our resistance in that circuit would be 10. And the omega symbol here, that's ohms. So that's how we write that 10 ohms. Now, what I can also do, leave that there, take my blue box, there we go, is with our triangle, if I want to find the voltage of the current, I can do that also. So if I cover up the amount of current there, and I know the voltage and resistance, so voltage divided by resistance, that would give me the amount of current, or I, in the circuit. If I wanted to find voltage, now I have the R and the I next to each other, let me multiply. So resistance times current is going to equal the voltage. So I can use this triangle, if I know 2 of the 3, to find that third variable. So this is a quick tutorial on Ohm's law and how to solve for it.